Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Excuse the stain that I have on my shirt if you do see it, but it happened when I was doing my makeup, so the foundation accident. But look what I have. It is the Onyx box. I've never gotten one before. This is my first time receiving it, and I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. So let's get started. So first off, whenever you open the box, I cut the bottom already, so this is what you see, and I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. Like, these women, the pictures that they use are just so beautiful. Okay, so let's get started. The Onyx box is a $25 subscription, and it comes with 5 to 6 products, and these are supposed to embrace girl power. So let's see. Let's start with the first thing they have on the list is Not Your Mother's Kinky Move Curls Defining Cream, and it costs $6 normally. It's infused with grapeseed and jasmine extracts. Okay, so I am natural and I am excited to use this. Well, obviously I won't be trying it now because I haven't braids, but hopefully pretty soon I will get to try this. Kind of excited. Ooh, it smells nice. It smells pretty great. Okay, so let's see. Next on the list is this. It is Dornor's Cosmetics. Dornor? I hope I'm saying that right. Their cosmetics, their Dragonberry Lip and Cheek Pods. These run for $22. It says get cheeky and lip color in a single swipe. The multi-purpose product is easy to apply, blendable, buildable, blush and lip color. Just layer on for bolder color, and this is their full size. Okay, look at that. Let's see if I have a little lip brush just laying around, and I do. This is not a lip brush. Okay, so just use this as a little lip brush. I swiped it in there a few times. Okay. Okay, well, it's a nice little pink color, and like I said, it is buildable. So this is the color Dragonberry. So this is something cute, and I like it. It's like a light pink for just one swipe, you know, like a natural pink color. Alrighty, but let's see what is next on the list. Okay, so next on the list is Lua Skincare Eye Beam Oil. This is supposed to be $20. It says hello to bright eyes with Lua's Eye Beam Oil designed to combat fine lines and protect against premature aging. Use the power of plants. Roll eye oil under the eye, gently pat into the skin from corner to corner, and this is their full size. Okay. So this is supposed to be made with natural ingredients. Ooh, the bottle is nice. I like the fact that it is a roll-on. So it smells good. It smells, you can smell the ingredients in it. Like the lemon, you can definitely smell it. Okay, so I am excited to try it. It says that it's good for fine lines and puffiness. So you can use morning and night. I am excited to try this. I definitely will. I'll probably try it tonight. Okay, and then next on the list is Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash Mascara in Noir. Give yourself lashes to lust over with the volumizing mascara. The flexible rubber brush adds length and allows you to reach those tricky inner corners to make your eyes pop. It is also vegan and cruelty free, and this is their full size, and this runs for about $12. Okay, I like the packaging. It's really nice. Let's see what the brush looks like. Okay, it's just like a regular brush. It doesn't have like super long bristles, but I'm excited to try it. I actually have on individual lashes. I did them myself for the first time, and I actually like them. I don't know if you can really notice them, but I like them. So I'll definitely be giving this a try later. And then so lastly in the box, we have Rika's Beauty Turmeric Peel Off Mask. This costs about $9.83. Turmeric is used for treating acne, oily skin, signs of aging, and hyperpigmentation with both antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This peel effectively removes impurities and dead skin, and this is their deluxe size. So I don't typically have oily skin. I have drier skin around like my T-zone area, but it's like combination to dry, so normal to dry skin. So I mean, I like masks, so I'll definitely give it a shot. Skin wise, technically this isn't, you know, what I would use for myself, but it's definitely worth a shot. I definitely don't mind trying it. I can't even open it. I really cannot open it. Okay, well, I just want to smell it though. It smells good. You can smell the orange in it, but yeah. So that was everything that was in the box, and you know, for $25 you get your money's worth. And I definitely like the theme of this. You know, like this was for International Women's Day, which was on the 8th, I think. But yeah, so I'm definitely excited to try the products that's in here. I think out of all the things that I'm most excited to try is the Kinky Moves. And you know, it's even on the cheaper side, but I don't really buy products for my hair like I should. So, you know, it's always good to find something that's good to define curls and everything. So I am very excited for this. I think this might be my favorite. And then secondly, it would be the eye oil, because I have bags under my eyes. So I would, you know, something to help with the puffiness is awesome. But yeah, so I'm rambling now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video. And thank you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to keep seeing these, let me know. You can leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.